Hi guys, and this is a cool tutorial where we will show you how to hide the selected advertisement on your Instagram homepage. So if this topic is needful, let's go to the voting. The first step we need to do is to open our Insta and to go to the homepage. As you can check, we are here. So let's use this advertisement as an example. So if we have the sponsored inscription below the name, so it means that this selected post is an ad. So how to hide it from our homepage? This option will really very helpful because you can customize your homepage and to correct your advertisement to make this page interesting for you and personalized. So how to correct it and how to hide this selected advertisement, we need to pick on the three dots icon at the top and click on the first feature, hide ad. Later we have to pick on the reason why we want to hide this ad, and I will use the first option also. And well done, as you can check, we have an inscription that we won't see this ad again, which means that this ad and the similar one. And it's really very useful and cool that we can correct such an option, such posts, and correct our homepage later also. So guys, don't forget about likes and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we will share with you even more cool fun tricks and also secrets about the selected apps. So have a nice day, goodbye!